I'm going to show you how to create cost center groups in SAP S/4HANA system. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance area. I work as an SAP FICO contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are now just reaching to this channel, its name is SAP at a Glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. My dear audience, I would like to make you a request to help us to reach to the first 1,000 subscribers. At the moment, we have more than 20,000 views and less than 500 subscribers. Can you please help us to balance this count by subscribing to this channel? Here in this channel, we deliver very high quality content. And I use my free time to share SAP knowledge for free. Therefore, I think it's fair enough to ask you also to share SAP knowledge. How can you do that? It is very simple. You can subscribe to this channel, share it with your network, and it is done. Let's reach to the first 1,000 subscribers. The cost center groups allow to perform evaluations for each decision-making, responsibility, or controlling area. They also support the process during planning and internal allocations. Please note, pay attention to this. You can assign to only one group in the standard hierarchy, but to as many alternative groups as you require. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in Fiori LAUNCHPAD. If you don't know yet how to navigate, you can find a link in the description of this video to know how to navigate. If you struggle to find Fiori apps in the SAP Fiori library, you can also find a link in the description of this video to know how to navigate. So today we are going to use this Fiori app called Manage Cost Center Groups. So I'm going to click. We also have the transaction code to create cost center groups, which is the KSH1, but we are not going to see it. I can double click just for you to have a look. It's quite similar, but the Fiori app has more information to navigate. So here, if I can click go, I can see whatever is created in the system. You see there is a lot of things for this controlling area. And then one of the things that we can display, I can decide I want to see only top nodes only. So which means that I click go and I see only top nodes cost center groups. What is this one? What is this about? Then I have subgroups below, or I have the cost centers. So today I prepared the video. I create already 2 nodes, so we can go and create the top nodes, and then we can put the cost centers, and then we can put the cost centers inside of each node. So now what we are going to do, we are going to click here in new. So I'm going to call it as I like, for all, and then I'm going to continue. So this is my top node. Now I want to add a child group. Okay. So here in the child group, I'm going to choose what I have created in advance, so the video will not be so big. And then I'm going to put another one. Number 2. I'm going to select both, so we can select everything in a row, and then we can press OK, and then we have the information there. Node 1 and node 2, this was created previously. Now what I want to do, I want to select here because I want to add the cost center here. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to add a cost center. So in here, I'm going to put my cost center that I would like to use. So I'm going to copy paste the cost center here, and then I'm going to press OK. So my cost center is already here. Now I'm going to deselect this. I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to add the cost center. Number 2, S4 00002. Okay, let's choose this one, select, and it is there. So now I have created this cost center group where I have 2 nodes inside, and I have one cost center inside of each one, of each node. If you see here, you can add cost centers in a range, okay? It's the same thing, you can put a range, but for our example, we are going just to see this. Now we need to do something special, that is to save. Data was saved. Now, if we go back here, so now if I want to see what I just created, I'm going to choose top only, top nodes only, and I'm going to press OK, and my is here. So from here, I can click here and I can, so there are no text available, we forgot, I click here and I can go inside, and then inside I can go and edit, and then I'm going to put SAP for all. I'm going to save. And if we drill down, we see that we have the information here. If you are enjoying this video as me doing it for you, please make a like to us. Now you know how to create cost center groups in SAP S/4HANA System. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.